Let's try to understand Wills-Melnick reaction with simple language. What is Wills-Melnick reaction and what is the identity of Wills-Melnick reaction? The Wills-Melnick reaction is formation of formulating agent by react of DMF with POCl3 and formulating agent react with electron rich arene followed by hydrolysis to generate formal group or arene. And DMF and POCl3, it is the identity of the Wills-Melnick reaction. Now, dimethyl formaldehyde and POCl3 are combined together. The lone pair of nitrogen transfer to the here and nitrogen behaves as a nucleophile. Pi bond of electron transfer to the oxygen. This oxygen attack on the phosphorus and this pi bond of electron transfer to the oxygen. So oxygen become negative charge and oxygen become oxyanion. This negative charge is reversed back to the here and chlorine is removed. Now chlorine attack on the carbon. This pi bond of electron transfer to the nitrogen. Now again lone pair of nitrogen transfer to the carbon nitrogen and nitrogen behave as a nucleophile and this group will be removed. Finally chloroiminium ion is formed. It is a Wills-Melnick reagent and it is an electron deficiency. Now nitrogen donate lone pair to the carbon. Nitrogen behave as a nucleophile. Nitrogen carbon double bond is formed. Now this bond attack on the phosphorus. The pi bond of electron transfer to the oxygen. Oxygen become negative charge and oxygen become oxyanion. This negative charge reverse back to the phosphorus and chlorine is removed. Now this chlorine attack on the carbon. This pi bond of electron transfer to the nitrogen. Now nitrogen have a lone pair. Nitrogen donate a lone pair to the carbon. Carbon nitrogen double bond have formed and this group will be removed and structure become like this. Now this hydrogen transfer to the here carbon double bond is formed and this pi bond of electron transfer to the nitrogen. Now again nitrogen have a lone pair, so it is behave as a nucleophile. Nitrogen donate a lone pair. Nitrogen the carbon double bond is formed and this bond attack on the carbon and this pi bond of electron transfer to the nitrogen. Again now this bond transfer to the here carbon double bond form and this pi bond of electron transfer to the nitrogen and nitrogen have lone pair. Now the final structure become like this. Now again nitrogen donate her lone pair. Nitrogen behave as a nucleophile and this bond attack on the carbon and the pi bond of electron transfer to the nitrogen. Now final structure become like this. Now nitrogen donate her lone pair and chlorine is removed. Now again this bond transfer to the here and carbon double bond formed and nitrogen donate her lone pair. Again nitrogen behaves as a nucleophile and this group will be removed. The final structure like this and now it is undergoes the cyclization and the structure will become like this. Now this hydrogen bond transfer to the here and this pi bond of electron transfer to the here. So nitrogen have a lone pair. Now this lone pair transfer to the here, this bond transfer to the here and this bond will be removed. Now our next step is hydrolysis. The lone pair of oxygen attack on the carbon, the pi bond of electron transfer to the nitrogen. Now this lone pair attack on the hydrogen and this bond will be transferred here. Now lone pair of oxygen transfer to the here and this group will be removed. And finally the bond will be transferred to the oxygen and the final product become like this 2-chloroquinoline 3-carbaldehyde.